Right, so to continue on, got that up, so got the case off, the bits and bobs, I took it off the airbox, got it undone, so basically get all the screws off. Obviously there's a bit there what's cracked. This is part what goes into the carburetor. There's a tiny little filter in that little part there. Doesn't really do anything as far as I'm aware. Again, cobwebs everywhere. Essentially, so that's the airbox part inside, and then you've got the filter part that goes on the exhaust. See, there's a little dead bug in there. I'm gonna give this a clean over because obviously it's meant to be red. I'll put it in a nice bucket of soapy water, washing up liquid, fairy. These two parts, because the thing is that that part can't really do anything until these guide bushes come for the variator, but I can see if it stops bogging down, so I'm going to clean all this out, give it a dunk in a bucket, and then let these two steep, because then they take like hours to dry, and put them out on the table over there. And then I'll do another video of the carburetor, see how I can adjust that one. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.